This is the Pso-stick. Here's 3 different ways that you can use or configure the Pso-stick. 1 is just leave it as is. Got the smooth, got the trigger points. 2, if you have the Pso sprocket, you pull the beads, not the handles. The handles are gonna be really hard to get off. Grab the beads, and then you can slide it apart, and then you can add the Pso sprocket. This is great for hamstring, inner thighs, calves, even getting into the neck, nice and rolling, because the sprocket is like the Pso Mini, but now it's in a circular pattern. The third one, which is amazing, is you take all the beads off of it and now you use it as is. This is metal, so it can get nice and cold, or it can get nice and warm, but it can also grab the skin nicely and get some nice fascia, hamstrings, calves, quads. Give that a go and let me know what you think.